Okay, I'm on between 5 and 6. Start in the middle, work your way out. I'm applying some pretty good pressure. This has to be an all cotton cloth. If it uses a man-made fiber material, nylon, polyester, you could actually melt it into the veneer, and that would be a bad thing. I want to put a finish on these, but that's not the kind of finish I want to put on. So this is all cotton t-shirt. Use a flannel sheet if it's all cotton, that would be a good choice too, but I tend to kill my t-shirts after a certain amount of time, so I have plenty of leftover ones that I have to retire. All right, I'm putting some extra pressure around the edges. I don't know what she's doing up there. It sounds like there's a Clydesdale horse doing an Irish river dance up there or something. Don't tell her I said that. We're cleaning up the house today. It's sort of rainy, and so we're doing inside stuff. Well, except for the dump. Yeah, I don't have trash pickup. I actually have to take my trash to the dump where I live. Boo, I know. All right, so seems like it's sticking pretty good. That's where the terminal cup opening is. Yeah, it sounds like it's stuck pretty good. I'll give it a little bit more time under the iron. I think we're good on this one.